Hello, welcome to studentmarking.com. This video will be showing you how to assess your units and tutor groups and how successful you are in delivering various qualifications. Right, okay, so I've logged in here using Lancington College, which is the default establishment. You could well be using your own establishments, but for now we're just using the demonstration account and the test account. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on tutor groups here. That's going to take me to my tutor groups dashboard. Notice that some of these tutor groups do not have a department. We recommend that if you have anything more than maybe 20 tutor groups, you would want to start adding these to departments for speed of navigation. But for now, this group here is not in a department. It's not necessary, but it may well help with speed of retrieving of data. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down here looking at the different tutor groups, and I'm going to pick up I'll pick up this tutor group here, 16-17 networking. As we can see, I've actually put that in to a tutor group, a department here, which is computer science. There's the qualifications, follows this qualification, and it's got 7 students in it, and this is a current tutor group, which means it will appear in my list here. And number of active units, guided learning hours, credit value. The 3 areas we're interested in is grade summary for tutor groups, the grades per unit, and the performance. So first one I'm going to pick up is the grade summary for the tutor group. Okay, as I go into grade summary for the tutor group, it's going to return to me a bit of information at the top, and it's going to give me all the students and each unit that they have done. As we can see here, this Irma has a distinction for communication technologies, but there's a for the internet there's no records at all, and for this unit here we have a refer. Okay, let's just have a look at that in a little bit more detail. And as we go into this, we can see that developing and maintaining computer networks, this student is missing a P13, which means that it's obviously going to be a refer. Maybe it's something they haven't handed in or submitted, and that's something you want to pick up. The internet itself, I'm just going to zoom in. The internet does not have any grades in it at all, and that's counted as no records. If there are records but there's some missing, it's counted as a refer, and it's up to you how you want to handle that with your students. So I'm going to click on back. It's going to take, now I'm going to back again. I'm just going to go back to the dashboard. Okay, so the second one we're going to look at is the grades per unit, and I'll be clicking on grades per unit, and we're going to look at a little bit more detail of each. It's similar information, but it's organized in a different way. And we can see here that this unit here, we have one refer, which is this student for the looks, and I can go into their details as I just did previously. So we can see all the different units within this. Obviously the internet's nothing been delivered yet, and they're all refers, they're all no records. Fundamental principles of computing, this student here obviously got some issues, but we got some nice grade and merits and distinctions. And we just scroll up. So it's an easy way to have a look at each unit within your organization, how it's been delivered and how successful that unit is. Now if some units are more popular, if some units are more easy to deliver, say within staff, or maybe staff don't have the required skills, you might want to tailor your courses, your optional units to suit that better. Okay, I'm going to click on back here and go back to the dashboard, and now I'm going to look at the overall performance. What this is going to do is going to give me an overall view of this tutor group performance and its success rates. Okay, so we have the tutor group name here. As we can see, the overall pass rate is 46%, and each unit is given a success rate. The success rate is pass, merit, distinctions. The total of these 3 figures gives us 86%. And we've got our fails of 14. As we can see here, this rate is being affected by developing and maintaining computer networks. We've only got a 14% pass rate here, and we've got a failure rate at the moment of 86%. So that's something you may need to address in your with your staff within your department. This is not being taught yet, and we have obviously nobody's achieved any results whatsoever. Right, okay, so obviously as you go on, you're going to be adding marks, you're going to be maintaining marks and editing marks, and these hopefully should go up. Okay, just going to go back. Okay, that's an overview of the performance of your tutor groups, your courses, and your units, and thank you for watching.